Hey my friends, I am John Laspina, I am Carnivore, and I want to share with you something that I believe we should have, and that is a human rights for food. Okay, we have the Bill of Rights, and we have the other amendments that were added to the Constitution. These are rights given to us as I'm in America, I'm in the United States, and I have these rights. A lot of other democracies around the world, you have certain rights. And our founding forefathers said that we have unalienable rights given to us by our Creator. And I believe that that should also pertain to nutrition and food. I have the right as a human being. This isn't even just to America or a democracy. This is just because you're a human being on the planet Earth. We should have the right and access to good nutrition, healthy proteins, complete proteins, healthy fatty acids, omega-3 and omega-6 in a healthy ratio, vitamins, fat-soluble and water-soluble vitamins, and minerals, all of the minerals that are required to make our electrolyte system and everything function and balance and work. Some places in our country and other parts of the world, you don't have access to all of this. People are being served gruel. They're being served mushed up flour and wheat products everywhere with no protein, no vitamins, no minerals. Or they'll fortify this crap with vitamins and minerals because it's absent the vitamins and minerals, but you're not getting protein and fatty acids in a healthy ratio. We have a right to good food, and I think that we should have a Bill of Rights for food. I really do. Sometimes when I go somewhere on vacation or something and I'm dependent on a restaurant, I won't ingest anything with seed oils, anything that is made or grilled on or mixed in with canola oil, soybean oil, safflower oil, sunflower oil, peanut oil, margarine. I just won't, because it's already rancid, it's already defiled. I don't want that in my body. Then the heat in my body is going to make it even worse. So if I can't find out if something was cooked in that oil, I don't eat it. Period. I'd rather have sugar. I would rather eat something with lots of sugar or starch than put seed oils in my body. At least my body knows how to handle sugar. My body knows how to handle starch. My body does not know how to handle vegetable seed oils. They call it vegetable seed oils. It's just oils that have become rancid because of the way they're made in high heat. Back to my premise of a Bill of Rights or food rights. We should have the right to food that's not cooked in seed oil. And we should have the right to have food that is healthy for our human body. I believe the best food is animal products. Beef, mostly. Lamb is great too. Poultry is fine. Pork is fine. Fish is healthy. Smaller fish is better. And eggs, pasture-raised organic eggs. We are 100% healthy. If it's not cooked in any of those horrible seed oils, it's healthy. We can use butter and ghee and beef tallow and chicken schmaltz and duck fat and pork grease. You can use those wonderful healthy fats. And if you want to go with plants, you can go with some olive oil. You can go with some avocado oil. Coconut oil is mostly saturated. I believe we should have the right. I have the right to eat something that is not a microtoxic poison like seed oil. I have the right to eat foods that have an adequate amount of a complete protein that comes from animal products. I have the right to not put large amounts of sugar in my body. That's my right. And I think it should be a right of every human being. Sadly, in hospitals, public schools, probably private schools too, institutions, prisons, jails, and sanatoriums, they feed the people food. You have no control over what you're eating. And you know what that food is? It's wheat, corn, flour, seed oils, sugar, grain. That's what most of the food is, with a little sprinkling of meat here and there. And that's just terrible. Knowledge is power, folks. I know, you now know, that we need to have protein, healthy fats, vitamins and minerals, and that can be found in the best source in animal products. Yeah, you can get some of it in plants, but I stay away from plants now because of all the anti-nutrients. What do I need it for, right? Ladies and gentlemen, I hope that you will become the optimized version of yourself by eating foods that are healthy. Eat for nutrition. It's our right. It's our inalienable right. It's our God-given right to eat food that keeps us healthy. Don't you think? Don't you agree? Tell me so in the comments. Have a great day, everybody.